Connecting your system. The first thing, you have a plus and a minus. The wires are marked. We're going to connect the minus first. Both switches are off. I'm going to do the plus. See that you don't switch them around. Now the system is already connected and you can take power out if you want to. Just what you're going to do is going to turn both switches on. You will see that the solar panel, everything is starting up. Now what we're going to do is connect the two PV panels. There is a fuse in line. You can go wrong, the minus and the plus. And you will see that the system afterwards, when we connect the panels, is charging. There are two units that are splitters. And we're going to connect them. Now we're going to connect the panels, because we have the two wires from the extension wire. We have the splitters. So the splitters are putting for two panels. We should put the plus and the minus. Now you take the two panels. You have two pluses from the panels. You can't go wrong. You plug those ones in. Plug this one in. Then we have the two minuses from the panel. Plug that one in. We plug this one in. Now we're going to take a view to the meter here, and you're going to see that the solar panels are charging. Solar panels are charging, and they are not in the sun really, but it's giving 1.1 amp. And you can also start the system. I put just in there a compressor. I'm going to start the compressor. Now I will also show you. I'm going to start the compressor again, then you can see how many wattage is being taken off from the inverter. We have three systems available, one for $985, 1250 watt with two panels. We have also for 1095 the 1500 watt, and then the next one up is 2000 watt, also the same system.